Hi, I'm Brian Jackson with ITBusiness.ca. I'm here today with Ed Hutchinson, a Director of Sales with Sony Ericsson. He's going to show us some hands-free devices that you can use to comply with the new law in Ontario. That law bans handheld devices while you're driving, and that goes into effect today. So welcome to ITBusiness.ca, Ed.
Thank you very much, Brian. Appreciate the time. I brought a sampling of all of the products we have to offer at Sony Ericsson. We've got basically your mono Bluetooth headsets, very easy to put over your ear and use. We also have some options specifically designed for the car. One here, the HCB 105, is a visor clip speakerphone. Very easy to install. In fact, you just clip it on to your visor. Incredible battery life, and again, very, very easy to use. I think part of the difficulty, people assume Bluetooth pairing, all of these things are very, very difficult. I think today we can go through a couple of demonstrations and demystify that a little bit for people.
That's great, because of course you have to pair your device with with your phone before you can even talk over it, right?
Correct.
So why don't you show us how that's done with one of these?
Okay, great. I'll actually show you the HCB 105, very basic speakerphone for us. Again, as I mentioned, clips on your sun visor. Product has a battery life standby of about 1 month, and you can talk on it for about 24 hours as well before the battery is depleted. So great product. Simply turn it on, actually go into the phone sub-menu. Now this differs depending on the manufacturer product you're using, but basically if they're all Bluetooth, they're all compatible. So you could be using your BlackBerry, your iPhone, what have you. As long as it supports Bluetooth, generally it's going to work with our accessories. So quickly go into the Bluetooth section. I go into My Devices, select New Device. It asks me to prepare the device for pairing. Essentially for our devices, you'll notice there's a red light that blinks on and off. Now my phone will basically search out that Bluetooth signal from the accessory, and there it's detected, HCB 105. Simply select. It's adding the device. It asks for a passcode in certain instances, 4 zeros. Now it's adding the device, and it acknowledges that it's actually paired. So as it stands right now, if I receive a call, it's going to be broadcast through the speakerphone.
Great. So that was pretty easy. And as you mentioned with that passcode, sometimes that trips people up, but all they have to remember is to try the 4 zeros, or sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's often the default passcode for many of these devices. Does Sony have a default passcode here?
It's the 4 zeros.
Okay.
So very, very intuitive, very easy to use. It's the same pairing process essentially if you're going to be using one of our Bluetooth headsets, car kits, or even our stereo Bluetooth piece. It's the same process.
Okay, great. Now, how would I actually use these devices? How would I wear them and receive a call over them? Do you want to start with the headset here?
Absolutely, very straightforward. I've got a couple of package samples here, give you an idea of what they're going to look like when you go into the local retailer and purchase them on the peg. These are the products out of the package. I've got essentially our very, very entry-level piece. This retails for about $39.99. Very, very basic. Again, it actually comes with an ear clip that clips on there. You can put it on your left or right ear, depending on what's comfortable for you. Most people prefer to keep the headset on the side that's furthest away from the ambient noise. So if you're driving, typically you'd want it on your right ear. That way you're not picking up a lot of the noise from the traffic outside of the vehicle. In this instance, I'm just going to put it on my left ear. Again, very easy, very comfortable. You could wear this all day and not even know. I think it weighs somewhere in the vicinity of 3 ounces.
Okay, so you're wearing it, a call comes in. How do you receive that call now?
There's actually a call answer button on the side. You can see it here. Very, very straightforward. Just press that call answer button and you're automatically connected to whomever's calling you.
Great, so I don't even have to touch my phone at all.
You could keep it in your pocket, not a problem.
Okay, good stuff. How about this speakerphone? How does that work in the car?
So as mentioned, this clips onto your visor. So you'd have it up here on your visor. A call comes through. It's similar to your phone. There's a call answer button and a call reject button. So it's just a matter of touching that call answer button and you're connected to whomever's calling you.
Okay, well that's very easy. You also have a stereo headset here. What's the purpose of that?
Again, Sony Ericsson, it's all about choice. There is actually part of the Bluetooth standard. It's a profile called A2DP, which allows you to stream music. So the great thing here, if you're an iPhone user, a Sony Ericsson music phone user, you can actually connect with a product like this. It is wireless, and it allows you to manage all of your tracks via this Bluetooth dongle. This can clip onto your shirt collar, the inside of your shirt, wherever. And just like any other stereo headset, these just basically pop into your ears. Now, it's another nice feature is it's a 3.5mm connector on this device. So if you have a favorite set of stereo headphones you like to use, you can actually just pop those in, and you've essentially created a Bluetooth connection with those. So it makes them just that much more portable.
Okay, that's pretty handy. Well, how much do these things cost, and where can we find them?
There is a range. So I've actually brought, this is our entry-level piece. This product is the VH310. It retails for $39.99. Incredible battery life, best-in-class battery life. We have some mid-tier pieces here as well. This is the HBH PV715. This retails for $69.99. And a little bit of a higher-tier piece here, the HBH PV740 at $129. The speakerphone, the Carcone speakerphone, it's $99. So again, I think a great value. And certainly, I think, makes the overall driving experience much, much more user-friendly when you're using these types of devices.
Great. And where can we find them?
So you'll find them at any major retailer, Best Buy, Future Shop, Rogers, Bell as well carry the devices.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for your time today,
Thank you
Ed.
very much, Brian. Appreciate it.